Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Builds by Bailey. Today I have a little bit of update on where I've been on the channel. More videos will be made soon. I'm actually going to make another one tonight. But for the last 6 or 8 months, I've been doing everything I can to save money. I found out that I had cancer a couple of weeks ago. I kind of knew that I had some problem, and I didn't really have insurance. So I didn't have any way to take care of that. So I needed to try and save as much money as I physically could to be able to pay off a loan that I have, specifically on this BMW, which hasn't happened yet. So trying to pay off as much money as I could so I could get insurance. So having surgery and doing all that stuff wouldn't actually hurt my pocket. So I could continue to do videos. I could continue to do everything that I want to do. So basically it came down to the point, this growth that I had on my body that I knew wasn't good kept growing. Had it for a little over a year before they cut it out a couple of weeks ago. It had grown to the size of a little over a golf ball. So I was diagnosed with testicular cancer on the 19th of July, which was about 3 weeks ago. Not necessarily the kind of news that you want to hear. Kind of wish that it was like some kind of fungal infection, or I could have taken like a pill or something and gotten rid of it. But no, I had to go in with surgery, cut out the bad stuff, and go from there. So that's why I've been missing on the channel. Not necessarily the news that people probably would want to hear. But I've been trying to save as much money as I possibly could so I could pay everything down. So in case this got really bad, I wouldn't lose things like the Corolla or, my house. The stuff that means a lot to me. I'll always have my family. They're never going to leave me. But my toys and stuff, the things that are material that I would have to start selling off to be able to pay for bills to keep my head above water, would be gone. All that stuff that I've worked for my entire life so far would just be gone. So with that being said, I did buy insurance to try and combat this, and to this day I still don't know if it's working. We've gone through the whole thing. It was short-term insurance, so it was only for 3 months for me to figure out what was wrong with me. So hopefully it works. It seems to be doing something, because I'm getting notices in the mail that say, oh, your insurance has been filed for this amount of money. So yeah, hopefully I'm not out a whole lot of pocket, like 60, 70 million dollars, I don't know. A whole bunch of money. They haven't ever really told me how much this was going to cost. So hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah, with that being said, I'm back on track. I still don't know if I'm going to have to pay these bills or not. But I'm not going to let that hold me back. I haven't bought any parts for the Corolla or any of my other cars in like a year. So all the stuff that I've made up until the 1st of this year, so like February or so, when I made my last few posts, that was all residual things that I had already purchased that I was able to do. Didn't cost a lot of money, that kind of stuff. So I got some big plans for the Corolla. Things that are gonna cost a little bit of money to do. So yeah, hopefully you guys will come along for the ride. I hope that this wasn't a boring video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. I've already got all my hours so I can be monetized. I've actually got way more than enough. You guys are watching my videos like crazy. I just need you guys to hit that subscribe button in the bottom. So hit that thing, turn on the bell. Every time that I post a video, it'll send you a notification. It'll let you know whenever I upload a video. Hopefully I'm going to start being able to do at least one a week like I used to be able to do. Don't count on that just yet, just because, once again, I don't know this financial system, how it's going to work. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.